Seasoned photographer Joowon shares tips on using Genesis design details to make a captivating short video. Flow is important in short videos. Use movement and transitions to create a seamless flow. Center on features like the Genesis emblem when using transitions to create a seamlessly flowing video. First, bring your smartphone closer to the emblem on the hood. Center on the emblem on the wheel and rotate your phone as you slowly move away. Do the same with the steering wheel emblem. Center it as you slowly move away. Get a close-up focus on the shift by wire, then slowly pull back. Finally, shoot the iconic Genesis design details. Move your phone sideways or walk as you capture the two lines, crest grille, and interior design. Now, use transition effects and add music for a video that flows and captures the elegant yet dynamic feel of Genesis.
Thank you.